My name is Dr. Henry Lekgeto. I'm the director of Cytex Technologies. Cytex Technologies is a manufacturer of medical devices in Botswana. We specialize in the production of medical equipment and selling of medical equipment. Well, Cytex Technologies, we are scientists. We were inspired by the love of science and technologies. We want to be able to make our own medical devices in Botswana. We want to be able to produce medical devices. We want to be able to share our technologies with the rest of the world. We've worked with many different private laboratories and hospitals in Botswana. We saw the advert from JICA and we decided to enter the JICA Ninja competition for COVID-19. We entered the competition as manufacturers of viral transport media and COVID-19 test kits, and we were selected as one of the winners or one of the companies that will be sponsored to carry out their project. Most of the challenges that we find ourselves in, the manufacturing space in Botswana is a fairly new industry. The regulations are not yet complete. We find ourselves ahead of time, and it has been difficult to actually start manufacturing and producing some medical devices which are not yet regulated in Botswana. Our contribution as Cytex Technologies to Botswana, one is availability of medical devices. As you can remember, at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, it was very difficult to actually get resources for testing COVID-19, PPE, and even the treatment for COVID-19. One of the medical devices that we are producing is the viral transport media. The components of these viral transport media is the Heinz balanced salt solution. We prepare our own cocktail from start using these different chemicals. This is about 9 chemicals that actually go into our cocktail. Our media is a high salt solution with many different components. The major component for this is the sodium chloride, which is being weighed out here. The product that we are making, the viral transport media, is a sterile product and it needs not to have any contamination. So as one of the measures that we make sure that our product is sterile, we have to make sure that the liquid that we use is autoclaved. This is our concentrated solution. Now from preparation, preparing our cocktail, we now need to dilute this concentrate into a one-time solution. Right now he's putting one of the components that also goes into the viral transport media, which is fetal bovine serum. Fetal bovine serum actually supports our cell growth. This is important for the preservation of our viral specimen. Adding on the antibiotics. The antibiotics are actually also one of the preventive measures in case some of the bacteria has actually escaped the autoclaving part. Now after the media has been prepared and is ready, we again, the media has to go through a filtration process. This is also another step to make sure that the media remains sterile. So this is also another quality step to make sure that there is no contamination in the media. This is now our product that is now ready for dispensing into the collection tubes. We package it in a pack of 50 It goes together with a throat swab and a nasal swab that is used for collection of the viral specimen. We also put the instructions for use with our kit inside the box. And our product now is finished and is ready to be sent off to the clinics for use.
My name is Kennedy Moketi. I am the laboratory manager for Sidilega Private Hospital. One day we had a visit from Cytex Technologies. They came here and they introduced themselves to us and the products that they provide. And one of the solutions that they had for us was the viral transport media. So far, they have provided an excellent service, like I have mentioned. They provide us with quite a number of products, but in this juncture, we're talking about the viral transport media for COVID, PCR, or molecular testing. So that is the product that they're providing us, and they're doing a great job. The product is doing exceptionally well. It gives us, it meets the standards. I will highly recommend Cytex Technologies. They have exhibited some high level of professionalism in their service, and they are so reliable, and they give us their products in a timely manner, and they hardly disappoint. So Cytex Technologies will be the right place to be for your any solutions in medical laboratory or healthcare products.
As Cytex Technologies, we want to expand as a company. We want to be able to scale up our production of our medical devices. We want to also bring in new technologies. We want to also introduce new medical devices to our pool of devices that we produce.